What's up, y'all? So it's Friday night and it's feeling right. Dun, 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 dun. Nigga, I'm at this damn what is it? Chevron. I hate this. I love this Chevron and I hate this Chevron because they always be fucking closed at random ass times. Like, how in the fuck are you guys closed right now? It's 8 o'clock. It's like maybe 8, maybe 9 o'clock at night and they fucking closed. It got a sign up that say sorry, we're closed. And I need to get some motherfucking gas. Hello, I'm hungry. I'm trying to go out to eat with Tyler right now. I'm gonna try to convince her to come back to Fridays. But I need to get some damn gas so we ain't going to motherfucking place, okay? Details on this hair may or may not already be up, but I will link the information down below for you guys. Oh, yes. And let me just give you guys a quick view of my edges. Did they open? Bruce, what you trying to sell me, Bruce?
Some pretty panties.
He trying to sell me some damn
all I have is white product. You have the lace product.
Oh my gosh. Bruce, I don't want your draws, man. I'm about to get out of here, Bruce.
I never won.
Well, not yours, but...
Something lady, she made me an outfit. I gotta return a favor and make her one too.
All right now. All right now. Don't hurt him now. All right, now you take, what's his name? Herman. This is the frog he want me to take home with me. I ain't taking this frog with me.
I can't take care of him.
You can't take care of him? You gonna leave him all alone? He about to get left here at the gas station. What you trying to give me now?
Brand new workout pants, shorts.
He out here hustling, y'all.
Yeah, I do as I try to.
You know what I'm saying?
Here.
You gotta do it.
You look beautiful now.
He said he gonna be Shaggy. He wanna be Shaggy in the next movie.
Take that, take this here, and take Mr. Frog.
I can't take Mr. Frog.
Why?
Cause I'm about to go out to eat.
It's okay. He won't bother you.
All right, man. Well, you have a good night, sir. He's funny. You too. What is this now?
I don't know what this is. I lost my glasses. I lose about 16 pair a week.
Liz Claiborne.
You ever heard that?
Yeah.
Any good?
I guess so.
It's all leather. It's leather. There's people out there selling purses during the day.
You gonna be famous, Bruce. You gonna be on my
I'm already famous. I'm famous because the Lord loves me.
That's right.
Him too.
That's right. You better love him.
Hey, Scooby, where you at?
Hey, Scooby, where you at?
You beautiful lady. Look at that.
You funny,
Shaming
man.
all your men.
I gotta go pick up my friend.
Shaming all you men out there. Oh, I don't know. It might be a woman in Troy. I don't know. Wherever she goes, she's beautiful. And she has a loving heart. Everybody should get it. We have it.
All right now.
You just wake up the wrong side of bed.
Tell them where to come get it at.
Shaggy.
From Shaggy.
I'm Shaggy.
All right, Shaggy.
Please put me in the next Scooby-Doo movie. I can't order tips if you want.
Hey man, you in LA, you better get it popping, go to Hollywood or something. You know, somebody will want you to be Shaggy.
I ain't been to Hollywood one time.
Really?
I went straight to meet the record and left.
You never been to Hollywood? You gotta go to Hollywood. Since 94.
I've never been.
I was born in 92. It's a long time.
I was born 62. That's a long time.
Yeah.
You, I mean it.
I'm about to get out of here. Get your
men out there, look at that beautiful lady. There's plenty more.
He funny. Well, get your I'm about to drive off. Get it.
Come here.
You're dropping all your candy.
I got more. Oh, Kermit.
Don't drop those.
Kermit.
All right.
All right.
Bye,
Bye, everybody.
Peace out.
I'm not flipping anybody off. Rock and roll.
All right, bro.
Rock and roll, or hip hop, or jazz, or rap, or whatever you want.
Let them know.
Hey, let them know what you like. Scream for who you like. Don't be a fakers.
Don't be a faker.
Never raise that the lighter on you.
All right, I'll see you later, man.
Yes. She is a guest. I don't give a fuck. My family ain't gonna
see how my brother do me? We both dark skinned and we just can't get along.
First of all, get the damn spinach off the top of the crate that they be in. And who the fuck?
Kale, nigga. Organic.
Corey.
Fuck kale.
Tell them your Instagram.
Get the
so
Hot Pockets.
You. Tell them, shout out your Instagram.
Fuck all y'all watching this now. Why the fuck does she get to be on the bed because she's a guest or a family? No.
Because I don't want to sit next to your black
And
ass.
she got the dogs hopping on your robe. You see this shit, the appreciation in this fucking house? Go home. Go. Don't think about it. Fuck is she gonna do?
This is what a mad black dad looks like. With his wig cap, bitch. Wig cap, bitch.
It's not a wig cap.
Y'all want to meet my brother? Y'all didn't know I had a brother. This is him right here. His name is Big Swole. With the wig cap, bitch. Wig cap.
You gotta stop doing this shit.
It's a stop. No, you need to stop.
You need to stop putting plates in plastic bags.
Y'all want to see a married couple argue?
Look at this shit.
When married couples argue.
Look at this shit. He put it in a plastic bag.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
I was gonna eat that. I bit half of my butter bread.
He's responsible. He put this shit in the refrigerator with a bag on it.
Hey, stop putting my leftovers on Front Street. I'm out here about to go count these dollars.
Leftovers.
I'm about to go count these damn dollars.
What you doing? You going to the strip club?
I'm counting these damn dollars. That's what we doing over here.
Big things, nigga. I told y'all big things, nigga. Right. Excuse me. Put that damn money.
Shot bottles popping.
Oh, make it rain, nigga. Get this damn money.
I can't believe y'all came up with that all by yourself.
What, make it rain? All right. Hey, I just wanted you guys to meet my brother.
Hey, first of all, don't turn off this shit because I'm watching this fight.
Ain't nobody worried about that.
We about to leave.
What you need to be worried about? Get the hell on.
Exactly.
Why y'all don't see why y'all couldn't meet her downstairs?
Because I'm finishing the rest of these groceries.
I told you I got it.
You don't know what the hell you're doing.
She go in the refrigerator and
I don't get no love over here.
Be cleared out before I put it in there, including wrapped up plates that need to be in the sink.
No, she didn't tell you the truth. She don't be okay up here because she come in here and she fall asleep in her own jacket sitting up.
So?
Nigga,
that mean I'm not allowed to come over because I fall asleep in my jacket?
We put on a show that we thought she was watching with us. and she's asleep with her whole posture like.
So? That's all right, y'all. I be tired. Y'all know I be tired. I be working.
Yeah, right.
So I be, you know.
Imagine her in the middle of this goddamn video. Imagine her in the video and shit. Y'all ain't gonna believe this shit. Shit, that shit was crazy.
I'm cutting all this shit out. Cutting all.
As soon as a nigga hear a noise and shit.
So, I sure do.
Hey, nigga,
I bet they do it too. Y'all do it too, don't you?
Yeah. She almost got hit with a dart.
Oh, y'all cold. Yeah, they was throwing shit at me yesterday.
You parked at the liquor store? They just told a nigga today.
For real? I thought you said that on Toe Time.
Oh, you gonna listen to her? She don't own that liquor store.
Well, maybe.
Lying to you. He just want us to hurry up and go.
Oh.
I still think
you an asshole, man.
I think both of y'all should go check at the same time.
Well, you going down? Go check for me.
Nope.
All right. Well, fuck you then, asshole. Fuck yeah. I'm hungry. So we're at Fridays again. They actually sat us in a different place. I've never sat anywhere else but over there. But now we over here. And it's this nigga. I'm about to catch his ass because the next time he turn his ass over here, the red hat over there with his damn beard. I don't want you, nigga. Go on now. Since I first came in the door, I seen ya. I seen your ass. Know what it is. Anyway. So, isn't it? Gross. Tyler said I'm not allowed to put her on my vlog until further notice. So whenever she's ready is when she'll be presented. But until then, all you'll hear is a voice. Hear that voice. Where's my chickens? She got her chickens. Do I got chickens? Where are they at? Are they under here? Ooh. Are they in this fucking hole in the seat? And they wouldn't change my drink. So I seen this drink right and I'm like, oh, I want that. It was in a big cup. They gave me a mini cup. It's a baby cup. You know, I can't drink all this at once. I gotta let it sit there and get watery. No? You wanna be on my vlog? I'm not recording you. I'm just recording the table right now.
You're a liar. You was recording me the whole time.
I'm moving it around so they can't see your face. Just talk. Say so. Who puts ranch in barbecue?
Oh, hey, not so.
She nasty.
Leave comments at the bottom.
Didn't I say I want extra?
Oh, can we get some napkins? Do you have any napkins on you, baby?
Yeah, I'll bring them for you.
She loves me. She brought them out. But didn't I say I want more bacon on my shit? We did that. We out of here. You feel me? They turned the lights on, nigga. That's how you know it's time to go. Look, we stayed till midnight. It's damn near midnight. Good morning, you guys. So this is another day, another vlog. So today my hopes are to get a car mount. I'm gonna try to get a car mount because I told y'all last time I gotta wait till I got paid. So I got paid, so I'm gonna see what this car mount is talking about. This hair, like I told you guys, I do have a review up on this hair. If it's not up when you're watching this vlog, it will be. So just look out for the cards, like literally shortly after I upload this vlog. I'm trying to decide which one I want to upload first, that's all. So yeah, on my lips right now, I have Bittersweet Me by MAC. And then you guys already know my everyday makeup. If you guys like my makeup, I do have an everyday makeup routine, so go check it out. So yeah, right now all I'm pretty much about to do is go to the Lusana swap meet, the huge. That's like my everyday place. I'm going there. Actually, before I go there, I'm gonna actually go to the buffalo spot because a bitch is hungry. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the buffalo spot. Today my name is Carla, so if any guys try to talk to me, I'm gonna tell them my name is Carla. Because I feel like Carla from fucking Next Friday. Yes, that's what I feel like with this hair, honey. What? Yes. Cute. And also I am going to be going to the Fox Hills Mall because I need some lotion. I need to re-up on some stuff at Ulta. I low-key need to go get some more foundation because I'm running out, and that's a no-no. And I have to order some stuff off of ColourPop, but obviously I don't have to leave to do that. I can do that on my phone. Because I need some more concealer from ColourPop, because that is a concealer that I use and I'm starting to run out of it, and that shit is bomb. I really like that concealer. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. Hopefully I can get something. Why is my color change when it does that? That's weird. I don't fucking know. But yeah, so that's it. It's my little outfit. I'm just wearing like a little white little romper and these little sandals you guys see me wear. Ooh, I'm wearing these little glitties. That might be too much for the internet. These niggas, oh lord. Hi. So now I'm at Buffalo Spot again. Waiting for them to come. Ain't nobody at the register. Hi, can I have a small lemon pepper? Yeah. No sauce.
No special sauce?
None. And a drink, regular size. Is there a liquor store somewhere in this parking lot?
Right around here?
Not in the parking lot though, huh?
Right here.
Oh, okay, well, that's fine.
843.
Okay.
Small lemon pepper with no special sauce.
No sauce. And can you have them like season the fries too with the lemon pepper?
Oh.
Okay.
Your name?
Dominique. Can I have this when I come back?
Your life?
Huh?
Your life?
My life?
Your life?
Oh, I'm recording it? Oh yeah. Yeah, I do like YouTube and stuff.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Show
Oh yeah, I did when I come here all the time.
Oh yeah?
Right. But yeah, I'll get it when I come back. This is gonna be like what, like 10 minutes or so? Okay. Okay. So now I'm about to go to this beauty supply over here and see what I can get, because I really need to get like some caps, some thread, and some other shit. So let's see about it. Did y'all hear that old nigga when I first got out the car talking about, ooh, make my day? Then he gonna pull up on the side of me talking about something about some beautiful. Like, if you don't get your old ass out of here, don't nobody want you, old man. And I don't. And then they be thinking that they can give you money and shit. Like, oh, this one nigga. I remember one nigga. Y'all probably seen it on Snapchat, and I was telling y'all about it. Like, this one guy, he talking about, oh, I'm gonna take care of you. Like, okay. I don't need to be taken care of. I can do it by my fucking self. Pervert. So yeah, I'm about to just go to this beauty supply. This is the beauty supply I'm going to right now. I be getting a lot of my wigs from here. So if you guys do stay in LA, it's right here on Crenshaw and Slauson, and it's called New Wave Beauty Supply. So just in case y'all wanted to. This is my little outfit. So yeah, thank you. No, I'm sorry. All right, let me get the hell out of here. I'm getting all these old niggas. Hi. Lord Jesus. I already knew this was gonna happen, but it's this curly hair. I'm trying to tell y'all. My name is Carla. They try to talk to me. My name is Carla. I'm Dominican. No, I'm not. I like motherfucker. They got damn lace. You can sew on your own lace, I guess. That's crazy. I like this beauty supply though, because they be having everything I need. So I'm gonna get this one. It's only $4. I wonder how many come in here though. Do y'all know? I look weird. My color's off. So I'm gonna get this wig cap. Yeah. I have thread. I probably could use another needle. And what else do I need? I might need one more of these. And then they got so many wigs, like everywhere. That's why I love this place. Look at all those cool wigs over there. New Wave Beauty Supply, come down here. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Yum. It's my favorite. It's my favorite place to come. And then I have lemon pepper, and I told them to put lemon pepper on the fries too. So fire. Time to eat. Alright, you guys, so I am back at the Slauson swap meet, because I'm a swap meet ass bitch. Little outfits. Oh, I know this store. I don't really like this store because I came here last time and she was really pushy and like following me and shit and trying to tell me like what size I should get. Like I wanted to get a small. She was like, no, you medium. Like, bitch, I want to get a small because I want it to be tight. Try to tell me nothing. Thank you very much. Anyway, that's all I'm doing, y'all. I'm just trying to find me a little outfit. Come back later. These are the sandals I was telling you guys about. They're the ones I have on. But this is where they have them. You see they have so many different colors and different styles. Yeah, this is where I got them from. So I got my outfit for the video. So I'm giving it like, this outfit reminds me of like J-Lo. Like J-Lo, remember when she had that green like thing on? I'm gonna show you guys real quick a little sneak peek. Well, y'all probably gonna see it. It's like a little crop top. It's like a crop top and pants or whatever. So yeah, so I just got that little two-piece with like some black shorts to wear underneath the pants. But I'm about to go and record the video right now. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this vlog up because I feel like it's gonna be hella long. Yeah, so that's that. See you guys later.